Back to Raunix. This is Vedama from Raunix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our admin panel of our multi-vendor meat delivery application Delicious. So here is our admin panel. You can see the dashboard page. At the dashboard page, you can find the details about delivered order, cancelled order, refunded orders, and payment failed orders. Also, you can see the details in the form of graphs here and here. You can also find most popular stores or restaurant here. You can also find top delivery men, top restaurant or sellers, most retail food, top selling food, and many more options. In the second option, we have given POS. This option will work for sellers or restaurant owners. In the next option, we have provided basic campaign and food campaign. So, if you want to run any campaign for a particular time frame or for a particular seller or for a particular product, then you can do it from here. In the next option, we have provided option for banners. From here, you can control the banners showing on application and website. If you want to add more banner, then you can add from here. You can add unlimited banners, and you can also choose zone for the particular banner. If you want to show different banners in every different zone, then you can choose zone from here. In the next option, we have given for the coupons. If you want to create any kind of coupon, then you can do it from here. You can give any title, coupon type. You can choose which type coupon you want to create, like zone wise, free delivery, first order, or default, or restaurant wise. If you want restaurant wise, then you can choose restaurant from here, like this. When you choose any restaurant and you create any coupon, then the coupon will work for that restaurant only, or that for that store only. For all other stores, that coupon will not work. You can also choose a consumer. If you want to create a coupon for particular consumer, then you can choose it from here. We can give any code here. If you want to limit the user for usage, then you can do it from here. If you want to choose a starting date and expiry date, then you can do it from here. If you want to give a fixed amount or a percentage discount, then you can choose it from here. The amount that you want to give as a discount, you can mention it here. The maximum discount and minimum purchase, you can control from here. We have already created a discount coupon code. Here you can see. If you want to edit this one, then you can click on edit button. Like this, you can edit. Or if you want to delete the coupon, then you can click on delete button. If you want to deactivate the coupon, then you can deactivate from here. So at the next part, we have added an option for push notifications. From here, you can send push notifications for users, for drivers, or for restaurant owners or sellers. You can select a zone as well. If you want to send different notifications in particular zone, then you can choose a zone from here. In the next part, we have given details for the orders. You can check details about the orders from here. We can check all the orders from here like this. If you want to see the order detail, then you can click on order ID, or you can click on this I button to get more details about the order. Like this, you can get more details about the order. You can edit the order. You can print invoice for the order like this. You can also edit the order if you want to edit. You can change the order status from the admin panel like this: pending, processing, handover, out for delivery, delivered or cancelled. You can assign a delivery boy from here as well, or the system will assign that order to particular delivery boy via automatic process. You can check your consumer details here, consumer name, mobile number, email address, and many more details like this. So all other status you can filter out from here, like scheduled order, pending order, accepted, processing, food on the way, delivered, cancelled, payment failed, and refunded. In our system, we have also provided an option for subscriptions. So user can subscribe for particular product for a certain time frame as they want. In the next option, we have given for order refunded. If consumer face any issue with the application or with the particular order, then they can ask for the refund to the admin panel. They need to follow some steps that need to be decided by the admin. In the next option, we have given for the dispatch management. From here, you can check how much orders are delivered, how much orders are ongoing, and you can also check the order status like this, and you can also update the order status like this. In next, we have given option for help and support. In the help and support section, we have provided chat support. Here you can see there is no chat currently, but our application support user to seller chat, user to delivery boy chat, or user to admin chat. Same thing goes for seller to admin chat or delivery boy to admin chat. Every chat will be listed here. If you check contact message, then you can check the messages from here. If you want to create a zone, then you can create zone from here. We have already created a zone as India, and if you want to edit that zone, then you can do it from here. If you want to cover the circle or the map like this, then you can do it from here. When you choose a new zone, then the previous zone will be automatically deleted or updated. Like this, you can choose or you can update from here. In the next part, we have given for the restaurants and products like this. You can see, you can add restaurants, you can check the restaurant list. If you want to check the new journey restaurant, then you can do it from here. You can also bulk import for the restaurant, bulk export for the restaurant. You can check the categories, subcategories. If you want to bulk import for the categories, then you can do it from here. If you want to export the categories, then you can do it from here. You can check the categories here. If you want to add new categories, then you can do it from here. Our application supported multiple languages, so you can add category name, product name, and all other details in multiple languages like this. Default language and English. If you want to enable any other language, then you can also enable it from the admin panel. We will show you in further. From here, you can check the add-ons. You can enable or disable the add-ons, or you can create any other add-ons. You can also give the name for the add-ons in multiple languages like this. From here, you can check the foods available on your application. Like this, you can enable particular food, you can disable. If you want to delete, then you can also have an option for delete. If you want to add it for particular product, then you can add it like this. In our product, you can see it also support multiple languages, short description, restaurant, category, subcategory, food type, non-veg or veg. You can select add-on type for particular product. You can also choose availability for that product. From which time to which time this product will be available, you can choose as per your requirement. The price, the percentage discount or the fixed amount discount you can control from here. You can also add variations for the particular food or particular product type. You can enter the tags will be work like when a person is going to search something on your application, then that related words need to be put here. In the next part, we have created a category for vehicles category setup. We can add a vehicles type from here, like bike, scooty, electric vehicle, or anything. You can do it from here. We have also given an option for shift setup, like you have multiple shift for the delivery boy, morning to evening, evening to night, anything that you want to give from here you can do. You can also specify the timing from here, starting time and ending time. So your delivery boy can work according to the shifts. From here you can check all the delivery boy available in your system. Here you can see the list of the delivery boy. If you want to edit anything for the delivery boy, then you can click on edit button. If you want to check the details for the delivery boy, then you can check the details from here. From here you can see the details, how much orders they have delivered, the cash in hand, total earnings, vehicle information. If you want to suspend this delivery boy, then you can do it from here. Type of the delivery boy, salary based or freelancer. You can control it from here. You can check the documents of that particular delivery boy from here. You can check the ratings and reviews. Also, you can check how much orders they have delivered and which date they have delivered. You can see, and also you can see ratings and reviews from here. You can check the transaction for the particular delivery boy from here. Time log for the delivery boy. And conversation, you can check the conversation that delivery boy have done with the user, with the seller, or with the admin. You can check all the conversations from here. If you want to add new delivery boy, then you can do it from here. If you want to check the request that new delivery boy has done, then you can check it from here. If you want to check the inactive and incentive request for the delivery boy, then you can check from here. If you want to give any bonus, or if you want to check the bonus that already given to the delivery boy, then you can check it from here. If you want to check the delivery boy reviews, then you can check it from here. In the next part, we have defined for the consumers. You can check the details of consumers from here. If you want to view the consumer details, then you can click on I button. If you want to activate or deactivate the particular consumer, then you can do it from here. Click on I button to get the more details about the consumer. You can see the wallet balance, the loyalty points, contact details, address, and order that consumer has placed. Also, you can print the invoice for that particular order from here as well. In next option, we have given for the wallets, and you can control the wallet feature from here. If you want to add any fund to any consumer, then you can do it from here. If you want to check the loyalty point report, then you can check the loyalty points reports from here. If you want to reset, then you can reset the filter. And if you want to apply the filter for the which date to which date you want to check the report, then you can control from here. You can also check how much users had subscribed for emails notifications. You can check it from here. In the next option, we have given for the employee roles. You can create unlimited roles from here, like cash collect, add-ons, banners, campaign, category, coupons, consumer sections. If you want to create a role for consumer support, then you can choose like consumer section. When a person or your employee log in as a consumer support, then they will be able to see only consumer sections and nothing else. Same thing if you want to assign a role for order management, then you can choose orders from here, and when a person log in as a order management system, then they will be able to see only the orders, where other details will be hidden. You can also check the available employees from here. You can add employees from here. If you want to check the transaction report, then you can check transaction reports from here. Like this, you can see the transaction report. If you want to check the expenses report, then you can check the expenses report from here. If you want to check the food reports, then you can check the food report from here. If you want to export any of the report, then you can export from here in the form of CSV file or Excel. If you want to check the order report, then you can check the order report from here, regular order or campaign. If you want to check the report from restaurant or subscription, then you can check from here. If you want to check the report for consumer, then you can check it from here. In the next option, we have given for the business setup. In the business setup, you can change the name, email address, mobile number, country, address, longitude and latitude, logo, fab icons, time zone, time format, currency position, decimal after the currency, copyright test, cookies test, default commission, how much commission you want to take from the sellers as a default commission on the delivery charges, if you want to take any commission on the delivery charges, then you can define it here. If you want to provide free delivery over amount, then you can control it from here. If you want to provide veg or non-veg, both options, then you can control it from here. If you want to run the business model on commission base, then you can enable it from here. If you want to run the business model on subscription base, then you can run it from here. You can choose both options at the same time, or if you want to use only one option at the same time, then you can use only one as well. If you want to include the tax amount in the product price, then you can enable this from here. Or if you want to use the tax amount as exclude from the product price, then you can turn off it from here. If you want to get a notification for the admin for order notification, then you can enable it from here. So this is the basic business settings. In the next, you can control the order settings. In the order settings, you can see the order delivery verification. If you want that before delivery, order must be verified by the consumer and the delivery boy, then you can turn it from here. Home delivery, takeaway, subscription order, scheduled delivery, repeat order, you can control it from here. Some other options like restaurant can cancel the order, yes or no. If you don't want to cancel the order, restaurant or store, then you can click on no. If you want to give an option to cancel the orders via restaurant or seller, then you can enable it from here. Delivery boy can also cancel the order. Order can be confirmed with the seller or with the delivery boy, you can control it from here. The time interval for the scheduled order, you can control from here. If you want to give any message or region for the order cancellation, you can do it from here. For admin, for restaurant, for consumer, for delivery boy, you can create unlimited regions from here. If you want to manage the subscription option, then you can do it from here. So you can create unlimited packages like this. The package name, package price, package availability, information, color, and which options you want to give to the seller, you can choose from here. If you want to create any different packages, in that seller can get your system, sales delivery, mobile application, review, chat, and all others. You can control it from here. Also, you can control the orders limits. If you want to give any limit for the particular restaurant or particular package, then you can define from here. Same for here. If you want to give the limit for the product for a particular package, like if you want to create a package, ultimate package, and you want to choose a seller can get 100 orders only, and sellers can add 99 products only. So if this is defined here and seller choose this membership, then seller cannot get more than this amount of order, and the seller cannot add more than 99 products in the store. You can check the subscribers list from here. You can manage the settings for the subscriptions from here. You can enable the subscription settings or you can disable the subscription settings. Free trial period you can define like 5 days, 10 days, 1 month or something. You can give the free trial setting from here. Here is the email template. If you want to define an email template, then you can do it from here. Theme settings, if you want to choose particular theme for the mobile application, you can choose from here. From the gallery, you can choose the particular folder for the images, like for restaurant images, category images, notification images, and all other images. You can do it from here. From here, you can control the pages content like social media, terms and conditions, privacy policy, about us, refund policy, cancellation policy, and shipping policy. All the things you can control from here. Some third-party configurations you can control here: the payment gateway, SMS modules, mail configurations, APIs, social media logins, and reCAPTCHA. In the reCAPTCHA, if you want to enable, then you can do it from here. If you want to disable, then you can also do it from here. The social media, in the social media option, we have given option for Google, Facebook, and Apple. For the map API, you can put your map API here. The mail configuration, you can do it from here. The SMS configurations, you can do it from here. You can choose which company you want to choose for the SMS package to your next move, two-factor, message 91, all of them you can choose. Okay, for payment method, you can choose cash on delivery or digital method. In the digital method, we have provided SSN Commerce, PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, Paystack, Shenai, Flutterwave, and Marketplace, PayMongo, and many more. In the Firebase notifications, we have given option for Firebase notification to change the notification as per your requirement. You can change the notification text from here. Login page setup, you can control for the particular URL you want to provide there for the admin, employee, restaurant, or restaurant employee. From here, you can control the settings for the web and app. For Android, for iOS, for restaurant Android, for restaurant iOS, for delivery boy Android, and for delivery boy iOS. From here, you can control the details for the landing page, like images, text, you can control it from here. If you want to change the details for the React Native website, then you can change it from here. If you want to change or control the React Native website content, then you can do it from here. If you want to clear the data for the particular page, particular scene, then you can do it from here. If you want to delete account transaction, you can tap on account transactions and you can click on clear. And it will automatically delete all the content available for auto account transactions. If you want to delete any other field, then you can tap that and click on clear, and it will automatically delete that field. You can check collect cash from here. You can check the restaurant withdrawal request from here. Also, you can check the withdrawal method for the restaurant from here. You can also create the withdrawal method from here. You can give any field name, placeholder text, and many more. From here, you can control the delivery mode, payments. So this is the complete tutorial for our advanced panel of multi-vendor meat delivery application. So if you want to start your own multi-vendor meat delivery application like Delicious or like Licious, then contact us, details showing on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.